Happy Wedding Wednesday, everyone. It's JC with Web. As you know, every Wednesday, I always try to come to you with some cute little wedding tips, updates, just to let you know what's going on with Web and with the course. All right, so a lot of people have been asking a little bit about Utah. They are updating their system. They have been experiencing delays. However, they are doing everything that they can to get everything out. Also, I'm getting so many people that's getting misinformation from different groups. What is happening a lot, you come to us and you want immigration questions, then you want to go and do whatever. It's just kind of strange. It's like going into Nike and then just basically saying, how do you make a Jordan, attempt to go make the Jordan yourself when that Jordan is basically patented and you can't do that. So I just want to let you know that for Web clients only, we are here to help you and assist in any way we can, but we can't give any legal advice. You're getting misinformation from the groups. Please understand the requirements to get married in the USA. There are different requirements for different countries as it related to immigration, citizenship, and travel. That's the reason why we don't typically answer those questions, because everyone is different. Every situation different. There is not one situation that's the same. So therefore, when you're listening to one person that did it this way and then it doesn't work this way, everyone's situation is different and you're not privy to that information. With that being said, I am going to start a private Facebook group of Web online marriages in different domestic states. A lot of people are just concerned that Utah is the only state. It is not the only state that we run through. We run through about 15 states, and that is international as well. We just have a more process, and that process we try to keep it tight knit because we want online weddings to be accepted and recognized. And a lot of people are saying, what's happening? Well, when you're going into these groups and you're trying to maybe help, but you're not an attorney, you haven't went to law school, you're not an efficient, you haven't went to efficient school, you're not a software engineer, but you're listening to a mechanic about doing some of these things, or you're trying to get your advice, trying to help people, that is a big no-no. And let me tell you something else that's a new requirement. In a lot of these countries, you have to list your social media. So they're going to your social media to see, have you met, or are you giving advice? Are you doing videos, or are you working while you're on some type of visa? Please be careful. There are many bars into the groups, just trying to see, are people giving legal advice? So just be careful with a lot of things that I notice a lot of groups are giving that you're not authorized to do. There is a difference from a person review and then advice. And then also there's expert opinions or experience. So I just want to just warn a couple of you just to be careful. Also, courts are not allowed to solicit, so you just have to be just very careful with a lot of different things. Again, myself, the courts, we're all here to help you in any way that we can within the realm of the law. So just be careful with going in these groups, trying to get different advices, different people for different courts to tell you and show you how during non-business hours. A lot of these things are not proper, and that's why online weddings and start to have an issue, but not web. And that is the important reason of doing the research or having the experience since 2012. We just didn't pop up and start doing this for the pandemic. Please give credit where credit is due. I mean, it is flattering that people want to copy me or think that other states were first, and that's definitely not the truth. Ohio is one of the first states. So please just make sure that you do your research, and just know if you're dealing with web, we are going to do it the proper way. We're going to do it the legal way. We go through multiple states, so we're going to choose the state that's best for you. And there are a lot of different states that you can run through legally, but that is a process based for web clients. Also know that if a person works with me, we have no obligation to help or of just give advice. I have so many people just calling, can you tell me this? No, we cannot help you unless you are a web client. And I want to make that clear. Now we want everyone to, experience the beauty of online weddings. I don't care who you use it, as long as, it's done legally and right. I believe in love and marriage, but don't come to us for us to fix other companies or course issues. That's not going to happen here. All right. So I just wanted to give you those tips and say, have an amazing day. The end of summer is coming soon. So let's get ready to fall in love with the web. Bye.